Hi guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel, The Tech Creator. Guys, as you can see here, this is a webcam C930. I am by today. You can see, guys. So guys, I am going to unboxing this product. So the price is around 10,500. Logitech C930e. So guys, I am going to unboxing this product. The user manual. Let's go on the. You can see, guys, Logitech. Wow, 1080p. You can use for conferencing, video conferencing, live streaming. So guys, let's test check. I'm going to test check now. As you can see here, this is my camera. This is also full HD. So I will install this one also. As you can see, guys, this is my green screen. HDR Pro. You can see, guys. Same quality, guys, but this is the TECHNOVIEW. This price is 2,400 around, but this also full HD Logitech, but this webcam price is 10,500 around, but the picture quality is same. You can see, guys. You can see, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.